Poka-Yoke is a Japanese word in common lean vocabulary in the West. It means mistake proofing or inadvertent error prevention. So Poka-Yoke uses the design of processes and products to make it really obvious or difficult or, best of all, impossible to make an error. So think about a USB plug, the normal ones, the original ones that go in your computer. You can't put a normal USB in your computer the wrong way round. It's been designed that it's impossible. And take even the new USB-C ones for your mobile phone. There you can't put it in the wrong way round because it works both way rounds. So that's an example of Poka-Yoke in the design of the final product for the consumer. But the principle Poka-Yoke is also used extensively, and in our context most interestingly, in the design of the processes to make making errors, mistakes really difficult in the production of our goods as well. So Poka-Yoke devices are often simple, inexpensive devices that just prevent defects or mistakes from being made, so we don't have to rely on human memory or human actions. Some examples of this could be guide pins to make sure it always goes in exactly the right way, or jigs or counters or limit switches or checklists. So there's really two types of Poka-Yoke devices or features. There can be warnings or control. So warnings give us a warning. Things such as having a tray with indentations in it, so we can clearly see exactly how many pieces should be there. Or spell checkers on your computer bring up that little line to warn you that you may need to change your spelling. Also on an ATM machine, if you leave your card in the machine, it bleeps at you. It gives you a warning not to make the mistake of leaving it there. The second type of Poka-Yoke device features are controls. So, for example, if there is a bridge, and the bridge obviously has a maximum height of vehicle that can drive under it, maybe you would put a bar before the bridge, so that would stop vehicles going through the bridge. It would control them before the real disaster happens. But also even simpler things like the size of the scoop to pick out the French fries in McDonald's is designed to be exactly the size of the portion. So that controls the portion size. So Poka-Yoke, it's a design principle to add features to your processes or to the finished product to prevent mistakes.